the Pearl of Africa, two nations unite to strengthen their economic ties and explore new horizons. Welcome to the Uganda-South Africa Trade and Investment Summit 2023.
We are very happy to partner with the government of Uganda in hosting this important summit.
So this summit will be heart to heart, person to person. I see it as buyer-seller session.
One of the things that we're really looking forward to be able to get out of this summit is that convergence as the two countries interact, which I think will catalyze and catapult the different verticals that we're looking at.
This summit does provide an opportunity for us to, number one, showcase the opportunities Uganda has to offer.
The insights that we are going to get from the summit will be able to broaden or will be able to foster us to tailor better solutions.
We want to see Ugandan companies in South Africa, and we want to see more South African companies in Uganda.
And so we see the potential to continue to grow, to work with our communities, to impact a larger number of people and continue to create more jobs in Uganda.
So we're quite excited about this journey. We believe it's the right thing to do, huge opportunities, great potential, and I'm quite excited to see the success.
I see the summit sort of opening that door for us to be able to start getting into telling our business stories.
It is therefore very important to come and interact with South African business community so that we can transform our economy from purely exporting raw materials to now processing for bigger value.